What's up YouTube and welcome to Desi Dad Reviews. In today's video we're going to be going over the Vinsic Car Charger. So let's get started. Now a small disclaimer before I dive into the full review. Unfortunately, Vinsic does not make the Vinsic Car Charger anymore. However, I did see an identical product on Amazon, which is where I bought the Vinsic Car Charger, and I've linked it in the description below. It's made by a manufacturer called Ubao. Looking at the details and the specs, I can't guarantee that they're going to work exactly the same as each other, but I'm pretty confident that they should. So let's take a closer look at the Vinsic Car Charger. The unboxing experience isn't exactly exciting. Inside the box you get the device and some warranty paperwork, but that's about it. Looking at the front face of the device, you have a USB Type-A port rated for a max draw of 2.4 amps, and underneath that you have a USB Type-C port rated for a max draw of 3 amps. Overall, I like the color scheme of the product, the red and the black. It's super lightweight and incredibly small, so putting this into your car shouldn't be too much of a hassle. It's not going to conflict with other things, and it's going to fit into tighter spaces pretty easily. To plug this in, you simply stick this end into a standard car power outlet, and once plugged in, you'll see this little light up, and you know it's ready to go. The rest of the procedure is exactly the same as you would if you were charging with a wall charger. You take one end of your cable, the one that doesn't go in the smartphone, and plug it into the Vinsic Car Charger. Now, like I said, there are two options, either the USB Type-C or the Type-A. The other end of it you plug into your smartphone and voila, that's it. There's no hardware, no software, no apps that you have to download, it's just plug and play. Now the product page mentions that you can fast charge certain devices, but I wanted to put it to the test on my own with some of the devices that I have. I have a Nexus 6P and a OnePlus 6, so let's see how it did. Plugging into the Nexus 6P, I was able to get the same speed and the rapid charging capable of that device as I would with a wall charger. However, it gets interesting with the OnePlus 6. When you plug it into a wall charger, the OnePlus 6 tells you that it's fast charging by giving you the rapidly charging moniker on the lock screen. But plugging it into the Vinsic Car Charger, I didn't see that rapidly charging logo. So I dove in and tested how much power both the car charger and a wall charger can actually drive to my smartphone, the OnePlus 6. Now with the wall charger, I found that it was able to pull about 3 amps worth of current. But with the Vinsic Car Charger, I could only max out about 1.2 to 1.5 amps. Now these are two very different phones with different charging capabilities and different battery packs. So the real world conclusion I can draw from this is yes, the Vinsic Car Charger will charge your smartphone, but no, it might not give you that rapid charging that you're used to from a wall charger. It's really device specific. The other thing I wanted to mention was that it doesn't actually communicate with your smartphone. So if you plug your smartphone in and it reaches a full charge, it's not going to automatically cut off the power that's being delivered to your smartphone. So my recommendation to you is if you are going to use the Vinsic Car Charger, you're going to want to monitor your phone battery life and make sure that you're reaching a sufficient charge. When you do, and when it's safe to do so, unplug your phone, otherwise your phone might run hot. So who is this product perfect for? It's perfect for those of you that have an older vehicle that doesn't have a USB port, or for those of you looking to charge your phone while you're on the go. And it retails for about $11 US, and for that price point, getting these features is a huge plus. So that is a quick review of the Vinsic Car Charger. If you want to check out more quick tech reviews just like this, check out this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to Desi Dad Reviews. Until next time, this is Desi Dad Reviews, signing out.